What's going on, YouTubers? Welcome back for another tutorial. We're going to be tracking our text to our subject. But before we get started, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell, share. And with that being said, let's get into it. All right, so we're going to open up our After Effects and start off with a new project. Once you've loaded up your project, you want to add your video source. You want to right click in this area, go to Import, File. I'm gonna import state capital drone footage. Some of y'all may recognize this clip from a video I edited, like this one. See? So now once we've added our files, now we want to add it to the composition. Now that we added our footage to our composition, we want to trim our work area. Now you want to move the work area in. I'm clicking on it and I'm dragging it to the start point. Now, we don't want the frames to be too long. I think this will be a stopping point. No, there's no stopping point. We're just gonna stop it right there. We're gonna take the other end of the work area and boom. Now to zoom in, you wanna right click, trim comp to work area. Boom. So now we got it zoomed in, we gotta worry about all that extra stuff, okay? So now let's right click and look for null object. Okay, so we have null 1, which is our null. A null is an invisible object that you will see in the composition. This is where we're going to add our tracking to. On our sidebar to the right, and look for tracker. Make sure you have your state capital selected. We want to click on track motion. So we have the state capital for the main source, the current track, tracker 1, transform, and we want to make sure we click on scale. Make sure position and scale is selected. And for the target, you want to edit target. You want to make sure that the null is selected for the target. All right, my marker to the beginning. And I want to move to a place where it's not going to move so much. I want to focus on the hand right here, this fist, like on this knuckle. Expand this a little bit. And then the second point, I want to focus on this light. I'm going to hit analyze forward. Watch it as it moves. Once After Effects is done analyzing the track points, you want to click apply, click OK, and you will have all that applied to your null. All right, so the next thing we want to do, let's close this up. Let's close some of this stuff up. You want to right click, new, go to text. Make sure your text tool is selected. Type in tribe of God. I don't think. Typed everything, so it's Tribe add. All right. Command enter. Exit out of that. Your select tool. So I want the word to be right next to my subject. Object here is called a pick whip. You want to take this pick whip and you want to drag it to null, and that should select that. With the pick whip, we connected our text to the null. As the video is moving, your text is going to move with it. Okay, so now after rendering the information, I'm able to show you a preview of what we just done. Alright YouTubers, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If so, make sure you hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, share a comment. Any questions or concerns, make sure you hit the comment area, alright? And with that being said, we out.